How to copy multiple things at once on your laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily copy multiple things at once on your laptop. Let's just get started. So if you guys didn't know, you can actually copy multiple things and keep multiple things on your clipboard history to be able to paste them whenever or wherever you like. First thing first, you need to go over to your start menu and right click on it, then find settings. Now from your settings, you can easily search for clipboard setting. So on the search bar at the top, just go ahead and search for clipboard settings, tap on it. You can find it under system and then clipboard. Make sure you turn on the clipboard history right here. So all you have to do is make sure this toggle is turned on. What it does is you can save multiple items to your clipboard. You can press Windows logo plus V to view your clipboard history and paste from it. Let me just open up my web browser and I'll just search for a random paragraph for now. Now I can easily find something to copy. I'll just go over here, copy these two words, Control C, then I'll just copy this right here as well. And to access it, I can just press Windows plus V on my keyboard and it's going to show me the things that I've just copied. And that's basically it, guys. Now you can paste multiple things on multiple places. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.